Okay, I know I was a little nervous to go camping, but this trail is absolutely beautiful. I mean, just look at these views. Yeah, I know you told me so. I admit it. Whoa, look at this cave. I mean, we probably shouldn't go too deep, but it wouldn't hurt to have a look around, right? Yeah, it's a good thing we brought flashlights. Whoa, look at all these rocks. Oh, sorry. Look at all these stalagmites. Yeesh, not all of us go caving on the regular. Oh, whatever. Oh, I... No, I'm okay. Just the dust, I think it's... I think all the dust in the air down here is gonna make me... Oh God, are you okay? Good. Oh, good. Oh shit. No, I'm fine. It's just, look at the entrance. Or well, I guess what used to be the entrance. God, I'm so sorry. I can't believe I did that. I totally ruined our hike and, I hope there's another way out of here. Getting us stuck in a cave would be just my... Oh God, I'm so sorry. I didn't think it would come back that quickly. But I think the cave-in kicked up a lot of dust, and I mean, we already spent the whole day outside, and I just... I can't let out another sneeze like that down here. I might actually get us hurt. It's a good thing we've spent all that time practicing my holdbacks for heat. God. Sorry again about this. We were supposed to go on a peaceful hike, not a... Oh God. Yeah, I know. You don't mind. You're always so calm about this stuff. But still, we've got to look for another way out. There has to be some other way out of here, right? Yeah, let's just start looking for another exit. Oh God, it's coming again. Oh God. Oh, it's such a strong tickle. Thanks for putting your finger under my nose. You know how helpful it is. We can't stand like this forever, though. Eventually one of us is gonna get hungry. Yeah. I can handle it if you let go now. God, I'm really sorry. I'm making a mess of everything with my stupid sneezing. No, I know. I know you don't mind. You're always so calm about it, I swear. It's like you've got this secret superpower of being okay with me always destroying everything. Yeah. I know I'm not helping much, but... we gotta find a way out of here. There has to be something, right? God, the dust is really bad in here. It's just really tickling my nose. Oh God, it's coming again. I can feel it. Oh God, this is so hard. Oh, thanks again for the finger under my nose. On second thought, maybe your superpower is keeping me from destroying everything. Okay, I'm good. Let's keep going. Well, the silver lining is we're really getting to explore this cave. Yeah, it is beautiful. I might appreciate it more if all its beauty didn't make my nose tickle. Oh God, it's so strong. I can't stop. I can't. Oh God, I did it again. Shit. I really didn't mean to do that. Oh, I'm so sorry. I swear, every time I hold it in, it gets worse and it just comes out. You're right. It's fine. It's fine. We're okay. I don't know if I can keep holding these back for much longer. Help. Oh, thanks. It's just so tickly. Even with your finger, I can feel the dust just making my nose itch and burn. You're right. We'll find an exit soon. I mean, surely there's some way out of here. Okay. Yeah, you can let go. I think we can mark spelunking off our list of shared hobbies, though. This is torture. Yeah. Oh, God. There's just so much dust in here, and Oh God, I can't. I really thought I could control it this time, but no, no, just hold it back. Don't. Oh, God. I'm sorry. I just couldn't hold back anymore. Oh. Oh my God. Is that light? Oh my gosh. The sneeze must have made that little hole. Do you think so? I mean, what if things get too out of hand? I guess you're right. There's really no other choice. Especially because I'm gonna sneeze again. It's working. It's working. It's making the hole bigger. Oh, and all the dust is gonna the hole. We should get through it. Do it now. Here. Before. Anything else can go wrong. Oh, thank God. We made it out. Oh, God. Thanks for getting me out of there. Ugh. What a mess. I guess you're right. It could have been worse. We both made it out okay. So there's that. Ugh. Ugh. You're right. Let's get back to camp. Did we pack any towels I can use as a tissue? God, you're the best. I don't know. I don't know what I've done to deserve you. Anyways, let's get back to camp. Although, fair warning, I don't think my nose will be finished anytime soon. So our tent may get a bit windy tonight. Yeah, I know you won't mind.